Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that accept BitPay. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is a global provider of online trading services, offering access to a wide range of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and shares. With a reputation for transparency, reliability, and competitive pricing, Tickmill is dedicated to providing traders with the tools and support they need to succeed in the financial markets. Founded in 2014, Tickmill has grown rapidly, serving clients from over 200 countries and territories worldwide. The broker provides access to cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet their diverse needs and preferences. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MetaTrader Web platforms, as well as the Tickmill mobile trading application. These platforms offer a seamless trading experience across multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets, allowing traders to stay connected and trade the markets anytime, anywhere. Tickmill offers a range of trading account types designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. Their accounts include the classic and raw account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are looking for tight spreads, low commissions, or additional trading features, Tickmill has an account type to suit their preferences. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources such as trading strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. These resources are designed to cater to various learning styles and levels of experience. From articles and videos to webinars and seminars, Tickmill's educational offerings are accessible and informative, helping traders navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Overall, Tickmill stands as a trusted global provider of online trading services, committed to delivering excellence, transparency, and reliability to traders worldwide. With a comprehensive range of market instruments, advanced trading platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources, Tickmill empowers traders to pursue their financial goals with confidence and success. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced professional, the broker offers the tools, support, and opportunities you need to thrive in the dynamic world of finance. At number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage, referral rewards, and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their Active Trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. Coming in at number 3, we have Fusion Markets. Fusion Markets is a cost-focused global Forex and CFD broker known for its low trading fees and transparent approach. Founded in Melbourne, Australia, and regulated by the ASIC, it has built a strong reputation by offering some of the lowest commissions in the industry, ultra-tight spreads, and no minimum deposit requirements. Fusion Markets provides access to a wide range of instruments with 0 commission, and they provide segregated client funds and fast execution. The broker positions itself as a reliable, budget-friendly option for both new and experienced traders looking to maximize value without sacrificing quality. The broker offers a diverse range of CFD trading instruments, giving traders plenty of choice across global markets. This includes over 90 Forex pairs with competitive spreads, a solid selection of commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and natural gas, as well as major global indices like the S&P 500, NASDAQ, FTSE 100, and more. Traders can also access US share CFDs with 0 commission, making equity trading more cost-effective, along with a curated lineup of cryptocurrency CFDs for those looking to trade digital assets with leverage. With fast execution and low-cost pricing, Fusion Markets creates a flexible environment for both beginner and advanced traders. The broker provides a versatile selection of trading platforms designed to meet the needs of both beginner and professional traders. This includes MetaTrader 4 and 5, offering advanced charting, automated trading via expert advisors, and access across desktop, web, and mobile. CTrader delivers professional-grade tools including detailed market depth, multiple timeframes, and over 70 bolt-on indicators. Traders can also use TradingView integration for direct chart-based trading with powerful analysis tools. For those interested in social trading, Fusion Plus allows users to copy or follow other successful traders, creating a flexible and comprehensive trading environment. Fusion Markets offers a few different account types to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their classic account is designed for simplicity. All trading costs are baked into the spread, with no separate commission, making it very beginner-friendly. On the other hand, their Zero account is built for more active traders. It provides ultra-tight raw spreads starting from about 0.0 pips, plus a commission per trade, which can lead to lower overall costs if you trade frequently. In addition, Fusion sports a demo account so users can practice in a risk-free environment. They also offer swap-free accounts on certain account types, allowing traders to avoid overnight swap interest by complying with religious requirements. Fusion Markets provides traders with a range of educational resources and market analysis tools designed to support informed trading decisions. Users can access step-by-step guides and tutorials covering trading basics, leverage, and risk management, while a demo account allows practice in a risk-free environment. Traders can also stay ahead of the markets with a live economic calendar, tracking key data releases and events that impact global markets. For deeper insights, Fusion offers tools like Market Buzz and Technical Insight, which provide sentiment analysis, expert commentary, and real-time chart-based market analysis. Fusion Markets delivers practical resources that help both beginner and experienced traders develop their skills and make smarter trading decisions. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that accept BitPay, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a global online broker founded in 2006 in Dublin, Ireland, that offers trading in a wide variety of markets. Backed by strong financial infrastructure, the broker provides an array of trading platforms to suit different trading styles, as well as operates under multiple regulatory jurisdictions and holds client funds in segregated accounts to enhance security. Avatrade offers a wide range of trading instruments through CFDs, giving traders plenty of options to build a diversified portfolio. You can trade over 50 Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotic currencies, as well as popular commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas. Leading global indices such as the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and FTSE 100 are also available, alongside hundreds of international stock CFDs. Cryptocurrency CFDs including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple allow for around-the-clock trading. For traders looking for more advanced strategies, Avatrade also offers vanilla options on Forex and select commodities, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders alike. The broker provides a variety of trading platforms to suit different styles. MetaTrader 4 is ideal for beginners and experienced traders, while MetaTrader 5 adds more timeframes, order types, and asset coverage. Traders can also use WebTrader for browser-based trading or Ava options for professional options strategies. Social and copy trading are supported through Ava Social, allowing users to follow and replicate experienced traders. Available on desktop and mobile, Avatrade's platforms give traders the tools they need to trade effectively. Additionally, their mobile application lets traders execute orders, track prices, view interactive charts, and set alerts from anywhere. Unique features like Ava Protect also help manage risk, making mobile trading simple and secure. Avatrade offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trader profiles. The retail account is the most common, providing access to a wide array of markets with standard leverage and regulatory protection. For experienced traders, their professional account offers higher leverage and fewer restrictions, though it comes with increased risk and requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. The broker also provides Islamic accounts, which comply with Sharia law by offering swap-free trading conditions, as well as multi-account manager accounts, which are available for fund managers to manage multiple client accounts efficiently. Each account type is designed to meet the unique needs of traders, ensuring flexibility and support for various trading strategies. Avatrade offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at every level. Their Ava Academy provides over 200 free online courses covering a wide range of topics. These courses feature video lessons, quizzes, and certificates to enhance learning and track progress. For those seeking structured guidance, Avatrade's Trading for Beginners section offers tutorials on key concepts such as leverage, margin, and trading lots, helping newcomers build a solid foundation in trading. Additionally, Avatrade hosts live webinars as well as provides a wide variety of video tutorials and articles, covering topics from risk management to technical analysis and trading strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, Avatrade's educational resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge needed to navigate the financial markets confidently. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers that accept BitPay on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.